So guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut out hair in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Now click on your quick selection tool and then click on select subject. Now Photoshop will make the selection for us. Okay, the selection is done, but then it wasn't that perfect. So I'll add this part to our selection. So yeah, I think this is okay. So after making the selection, now let's click on add the layer mask. So we've added our layer mask to our image, and then right click on the layer mask, so click on select and mask. Okay, so over here what we have to do is to make sure the refine edge brush tool is selected. That's the second tool over there, and then let's select the smart radius and give it a radius of, let's say, 1. Now let's refine the edge of the image by painting around the edge of the hair like this. Alright, so when we are done, we select decontaminate colors. So make sure the decontaminate colors is selected and then click on OK. Alright, so now let's change the background to see whether we did a good job. So let's see. Okay, I think that's good. That's good. So we can be changing it to any colors and then it will be great. Okay. Yeah. So guys, this is how to cut out hair in Adobe Photoshop.